Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So we're just continuing on with this motor. There's our timing chain. Got the oil pan off, and it is also the numbers matching motor. We believe that it was, but that VIN right there tells us that it absolutely is the numbers matching block for this car. So right now he is removing, as you can see, starting to remove lifters. Here's one of them. It looks like it's in absolutely brand new condition. Sometimes they get like dents here, but this is like absolutely perfect. So the more we tear into it, the happier we are. So we've got everything numbered. We're gonna pull these out, but we're just continuing to look over everything. We're gonna take the block to the engine shop. The heads are already there, but we're gonna actually take the block here probably tomorrow. And he's going to just check everything out, make sure everything's good on the bottom end here before we start reassembling. But anyway, that's our small little update for today. Thanks for tuning in.